Hi, my name's Bill Mackay from Blue Connections. Welcome to Tech Talk. Today we're going to open up the hot off the press, the Lenovo ThinkPad Z13 Gen2. This is just out now. We're going to open it up and see what's inside. Give me 1 second, cut this open and make it hard. But all recycled packaging, that's the good thing. Oh, funky bamboo box here. Look at this, let's get this all gone. There's power supply in there, it's just USB-C as per normal. Nothing flash there. All right, let's see what we've got. Here we go. This is all recycled material, packaging material. Very cool little box that it comes into. Ooh, this is the wood grain version. Look at that. All right, we'll go through some tech specs right here and now. Here we go. The ThinkPad Z13 Gen2 is AMD Ryzen Pro processors, either Ryzen 5 or Ryzen 7, 7th generation processors, with AMD Radeon 740 or 780M graphics cards, up to 64 gig of soldered memory on the motherboard, up to 2 terabytes of PCIe 4 storage. The crazy thing with this one is the screen resolution, up to 2880 by 1800 OLED screen with 400 nits of brightness. Super bright screen for outside use and capable of having 4G LTE connectivity. The new Z13 ThinkPad Generation 2 is just out now. It is a great looking machine with the bronze, aluminium and the wood grain finish. I really like it. I think it's an awesome product. It's suitable for all types of users, the office user, the mobile warrior with 4G LTE, the sales rep, even for a guy like me. How do I get one, Erica? I need one now. These are really, really cool. That's all from me. My name's Bill Mackay from Blue Connections. That's Tech Talk. Bye for now.